Be honest, is your AirPod case currently rocking that basic scratched up plain white plastic look? Or worse, do you constantly lose it at the bottom of your bag because it blends into everything? What if your headphones didn't just play your favorite soundtrack but actually become your favorite outfit accessory? Welcome back, cozy aesthetic lover. Today we are diving into the ultimate roundup of the absolute cutest, most unique crochet AirPod designs idea that will completely transform your tech. Whether you are looking for the ultimate category vibe, quirky food shapes, or sleek minimalist designs, I have got you covered. Stick around till the very end because I am also going to show you exactly where you can snag these handmade beauties to level up your everyday carry. First up, let's talk about the static that is taking over everyone's feed. Category, look at these adorable mushroom cap designs. The classic red and white spots aren't just cute. The thick yarn actually acts as incredible shock absorber if you accidentally drop your case. And if you are a plant parent, check out these succulent and monstera leaf design. They feature tiny intricately stitched leaves that sit right on top. It's like carrying a little pocket garden with you wherever you go. These are perfect for adding a touch of earthy, cozy warmth to your daily commute. Now, if you like your accessory with a side of humor and ultimate cuteness, this next one is for you. Welcome to the foodie and animal paradise. We can just take a second and appreciate the tiny crochet avocado. The pit is 3D and it even has a little happy face embroidered on it. Or how about the boba tea cup case completely with a tiny crochet straw? If animals are more you speed, the internet is officially obsessed with this crochet frog case. They have giant goofy eyes that literally look back at you every time you reach for your music. They are massive conversation starters. Trust me, if you pull one of these out in a coffee shop, someone will ask you where you got it. If bright and quirky isn't your vibe, don't worry, crochet can do sleek and retro too. Check out the Y2K revival inspired checkerboard pattern and classic retro smiley faces. They give off the perfect nostalgia, sweetware's edge. On the flip side, we have clean girl aesthetic design. These are used premium, chunky cotton yarn in neutral tones like cream, taupe, sage greens. They look incredibly elegant, especially when paired with the matching bristles or a gold lobster clasp. It proves that handmade yarn art can look incredibly chic and high-end. The best part about all these designs, they aren't just mass-produced plastic, they are going to end up in a landfill. Every single one of these is meticulously crafted with love, durable yarn, and a whole lot of care. They are custom fitted so they won't spill off, and yes, they all have the convenient slot at the bottom so you can charge your AirPods without ever taking the case off. If you fell in love with any of these designs you saw today, you are lucky.